don't even know what's coming.
I get to showcase my athletic prowess on a national stage, and I get to be coached by my hero, Tweety Bird! Pinch me!
Can't. There's too much muscle.
The cats might as well give up now!
Yeah, you know we're gonna be there in the stands supporting you 100,000%.
Inaccurate math makes me nervous, but Bob said it.
Oh, you two. If I didn't have such an unbreakable emotional exterior...
I'd cry right now.
Hope you two can handle being besties with the best athlete in the Tooniverse.
I can.
Oh yeah, definitely.